The second you walk into an airport, you become part of a highly engineered system designed to quietly drain your wallet, your time, and even your emotions. From psychological tricks to hidden security flaws, today we're pulling back the curtain on the airport secrets the industry really doesn't want you to know. By the end of this video, you'll never look at air travel the same way again. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because trust me, these insiders won't share themselves. Ever feel strangely calm while waiting at your gate? That's not a coincidence. Airports are carefully designed to manipulate your mood. Lower ceilings, soft lighting, and plush carpets all create a relaxing atmosphere because a relaxed traveler spends up to 10% more at airport shops. Notice how you're funneled through duty-free stores after security. That's no accident either. It's called the Golden Walk, a layout strategy that maximizes your exposure to retail. Even the curved pathways you stroll along are designed to make long walks feel shorter, while showing you more shops. Next time you're at the terminal, just remember you're walking through a sophisticated money trap. Once your suitcase disappears at check-in, it enters a frantic system of conveyor belts and barcode scanners, mostly without human supervision. A slow-moving bag might miss your flight. A fast one might arrive days early. Something as small as a faded barcode or an old luggage tag can send your suitcase halfway around the world. Airlines accept losing up to 2% of bags as just the cost of doing business. Protect yourself. Snap photos of your bag from multiple angles, highlighting any unique features. Even better, slap on a Bluetooth tracker. Travelers have reunited with lost forever bags just by showing an airline the location on an app. That in-flight meal you're served? It wasn't freshly made today. Airline meals are planned, tested, and frozen months ahead of time because airlines operate on razor-thin margins. One airline famously saved $40,000 a year by removing a single olive from their salads. Another trimmed half an ounce off ice cream servings passengers never noticed, but the airlines saved millions. In reality, your meal was prepped 6-10 hours before you even boarded, then chilled and reheated. Even first-class meals often come from the same kitchens, just plated more fancy. And if you've ever thought airplane food tasted bland, you're right. At cruising altitude, your taste buds lose about 30% of their sensitivity, which is why meals are pumped up with salt, sugar, and spices. Without it, everything would taste like cardboard. That little cloth they wipe on your hands at security? It's not for hygiene. It's a high-speed chemical test for explosives. Advanced machines analyze the sample instantly without you even realizing you're being screened. Even creepier? Airports now use AI-powered facial recognition to scan crowds for micro-expressions of stress or deceit that human security agents could never catch. Here's a loophole you probably didn't know. Frozen liquids are exempt from the sauce 311 rule. Solid freeze your water bottle before security, and you can bring it through legally. Also, many business-class security lanes are practically empty during off-peak hours. Walk up confidently, you might breeze right through without anyone checking your ticket. Think you need a first-class ticket to enjoy VIP lounges? Think again. Day passes to airport lounges can cost as little as $25, $50, sometimes cheaper than grabbing food at an airport restaurant. Inside, you'll get comfy seating, unlimited food and drinks, showers, and super-fast Wi-Fi. Bonus: many travel credit cards include lounge access as a benefit, easily paying for themselves if you travel often. Major airports hide secret passageways and shortcuts known mostly to staff. Frankfurt Airport has a secret tunnel connecting terminals, skipping shuttle buses altogether. Charles de Gaulle Airport has hidden elevators that cut your transit time in half. These shortcuts aren't advertised, but a friendly flight attendant might tip you off if you ask nicely. Those free charging stations in airports? They're hacker gold mines. Cybercriminals can install hidden devices inside USB ports that steal your personal data in seconds, a trick called juice jacking. And don't trust airport Wi-Fi either. Scammers often set up fake networks with official-sounding names to trap travelers. Protect yourself. Never log into financial accounts without a VPN, use a USB data blocker, or better yet, stick to your own portable charger. Want to clear security in 5 minutes flat? TSA PreCheck costs just $85 for 5 years, and many credit cards or frequent flyer programs will reimburse you, making it essentially free. Better still, some cards automatically upgrade you to global entry for international travel, which includes PreCheck and expedited customs. No PreCheck? Here's a hack. Security lines farthest from the main entrances are often much shorter even at busy airports like JFK or LAX. A short walk could save you half an hour. Booking flights is a game of strategy. The sweet spot for getting the best deals? Book between 3 weeks and 4 months before your departure. Airlines typically launch sales Monday night, and competitors match prices by Tuesday afternoon. Use fare calendars to find the cheapest travel days. Midweek flights tend to be cheaper than weekend ones. And weirdly enough, flights on holidays like Christmas Day are often cheaper than flights just before or after. Pro tip: airlines track your searches. Clear your browser cookies or search in incognito mode to avoid mysterious price hikes, and if you're feeling clever, use a VPN to book from countries where flights are cheaper. Jet lag can destroy a trip, but you can fight it like a pro. Start adjusting your sleep schedule before you travel. Go to bed earlier if you're heading east, later if you're heading west. Hydrate like crazy. Cabin air is drier than the Sahara. Skip alcohol and caffeine, they'll dehydrate you even more. Set your watch to your destination's time as soon as you board, and expose yourself to bright light at the right times to reset your body clock. Flight crews even use special apps and blackout sunglasses to hack their sleep cycles. Dreaming of a free upgrade to business or first class? Timing and manners matter. Frequent flyers get priority, but if economy is overbooked, airlines often bump well-dressed, polite passengers to premium cabins for free. Checking in early helps. Flying during off-peak times like holidays also increases your odds, since there are fewer business travelers competing for upgrades. These hidden airport and airline tricks are just the beginning. When you understand the psychology of airport design, protect your luggage and data, and book flights smartly, you take back control in a system built to manipulate you. Now you're not just another passenger, you're a travel insider. Which secret surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share your favorite travel hacks too. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening tips the travel industry hopes you never learn. Until next time, travel smarter, not harder.